The sources provide an overview of several philosophies, each with distinct views on reality, knowledge, and values, and each having implications for education. These philosophies include idealism, realism, pragmatism, existentialism, and postmodernism. Here's an overview of these philosophies. Idealism. Metaphysics. Reality is spiritual or mental and unchanging. Epistemology. Knowing is the recall of latent ideas. Axiology. Values are universal, absolute, and eternal. Educational implications. A subject matter curriculum should emphasize a culture's great and enduring ideas. Proponents. Emerson, Froebel, Hegel, Plato. Realism. Metaphysics. Reality is objective and exists independently of us, but we can know it. Epistemology. Knowing consists of conceptualization based on sensation and abstraction. Axiology. Values are absolute and eternal, based on universal natural laws. Educational implications. A subject matter curriculum emphasizes humanistic and scientific disciplines. Proponents. Aquinas, Aristotle, Broudy, Maritain. Pragmatism. Experimentalism. Metaphysics. Rejects metaphysics, asserting that beliefs about reality are based on experience and are constantly changing. Epistemology. Knowledge comes from experience and is constantly changing. Axiology. Values are relative and are based on experience. Educational implications. A problem-solving approach to learning using the scientific method is emphasized. Philosopher John Dewey. Existentialism. Metaphysics. Rejects metaphysics, arguing that reality is subjective and existence precedes essence. Epistemology. Knowledge is subjective and based on individual experiences. Axiology. Values are determined by individuals through choices. Educational implications. Classroom dialogue is emphasized to promote awareness of how individuals create their self-concept through significant choices. Postmodernism. Metaphysics. Rejects metaphysics as historical constructs used for socioeconomic domination. Epistemology. Knowledge is socially constructed and shaped by power relations. Axiology. Emphasizes the values of marginalized persons and groups. Educational implications. Schools are sites for democratic criticism and social change to empower dominated groups. Proponents. Derrida, Foucault. These philosophies provide different perspectives on the nature of reality, how we gain knowledge, and what values are important. In education, these differing viewpoints affect what is taught, how it is taught, and what goals are prioritized. Additionally, the sources describe analytic philosophy. This approach emphasizes a clarification of concepts through analysis. It claims to be neutral, aiming to clarify existing meanings rather than introducing new ones. It involves the analysis of language and practices. Constructivism. This approach emphasizes the active role of the learner in constructing knowledge. It shares common ground with Dewey's views on knowledge. These different philosophies offer varying perspectives on how education should be approached and what the goals of education should be. Each philosophical position leads to different educational implications, affecting the curriculum, teaching methods, and the overall purpose of education.